I now request Mr. Shajan Samuel, Senior VP, to say a few words on the idea behind McCartoon, how it took shape and became a success.
Good morning, everyone, and I'm pleased and delighted to be out here. MAC, in conjunction with Indian Institute of Cartoon Gallery, has organized this event called McCartoon, which is nothing but a cartoon competition targeted at youngsters who have an aspiration to become a cartoonist or basically pursue a career in the creative field. This particular idea just came on the fly. It was not something which we planned or thought out. And the way it's taking shape out here, we never envisaged anything of this magnitude. It just came on the fly. It was a casual talk between Siddharth and my partner at Kalyan Latter, which led into this. We onboarded T.N. Balraj, who spearheaded this entire program. We are extremely thankful and grateful to Indian Institute of Cartoon Gallery and cartoonist Mr. Narendra in particular, because he welcomed this event with open heart, open hands. Indian Institute of Cartoonists is the one and only cartoon gallery in the country, and this event was announced in early November. We went across many colleges, 28 of them to be precise. We had 700 registrations coming in. The theme which was chosen was water shortage. On December 1st, grand finale, we called around 84 finalists. Balraj had selected them. Out of which, to a pleasant surprise, 78 of them turned up on a Saturday, a lazy Saturday morning. Normally in Bangalore, on a Saturday morning, people don't get up before 10 o'clock. But we were very pleasantly surprised to find 78 people in the classroom ready for the competition by 9 a.m. So we gave them a theme, which is garbage, which is once again come back into prominence in all the newspapers. So the theme was given to the students. Within 45 minutes, they had to make a cartoon, and they did it with great applause. Unfortunately, we had to shortlist only 30 finalists. Every one of them deserved to be part of this cartoon gallery exhibition, but we had binding constraints, so we shortlisted and narrowed it down to 30. Out of which 3 of them were winners, 2 of them were girls. Again, and the pleasant surprise. Divya D. Pai was a winner. She is from BIMT College. Prachi Varghese was first runner-up. He is from Kalamandir, and Nidhi is from CMRPU College. She was the second runner-up. We gave them prizes, we gave them trophies, and all of them are works around here, 30 finalists. Extremely thankful to all the parents out there, because I think there's a lot of myths surrounding Bangalore as a city, because Bangalore is predominantly known to be a silicon city, but it is happy now to accommodate careers of different choices and in nature. So the idea, the very fact that parents did come along with their children for their McCartoon grand finale is a testimony that parents have slowly started to, leave the leash which they had put on the children some years back, saying that go and pursue whatever you feel like, go and pursue whatever your heart says, we will back you. That's a very, very great encouragement for all of us. And McCartoon is an embodiment of talent, is an embodiment of careers which is beyond mainstream, and it is nothing great to be a doctor, engineer, or medicine nowadays. People are saying do what you like. And we are all happy out here and extremely delighted that this is the only exhibition out of 76 exhibitions held so far at the Indian Institute of Cartoon Gallery, which is done by aspirational cartoonists. All the 76 exhibitions held so far at this gallery have been done by professional cartoonists. So I think it's a great moment for all of you students out here whose work is out here to bring your friends along, to tell them, look, my work is on display. It's no mean feat, okay? But this should not stop here. What next? This should not be conceived or perceived as a stopgap. Okay, I took took part in a competition and that's the end of it. No, go further, go beyond this. Okay? Sketching or cartooning is a baseline for building a career in image media, which is animation, gaming, and visual effects. I request all parents out here to to encourage further, let them go further, let them pursue this. Converting your passion into profession is very important. Okay? Once again from MAC and Indian Institute of Cartoonists, thank you all out here for coming here and making our program a success. We are also thankful to our guests, Madhuri and Mr. Ravi Shankar, to take time from their busy schedule to be a part of it. Thanks.
Thank you, Shazin. I now request Madhuri to please say a few words.
Thank you, ILCA MAC, for inviting me to inaugurate the exhibition. I come from a fine arts and a dance background. I've been a dancer for the past 20 years, and I've also done my degree in painting. Through the years of practice, I realized that the principles are not different. The principles of Natya Shastra is very much applicable to painting, or principles of Chitra Sutra Lakshana is very much applicable to painting, to dance. And I've always wondered, being a cartoonist must be fun. You have a very different perspective of life. You probably see world so differently from the rest of us, and I guess the concept of illusion is something that you comprehend much more effectively and easily than the rest of us. Another thing that really binds all of us artists are our struggles and our journey as creators, our persistence and our strength that we show in times of in difficult times. And I guess an exhibition like this is a celebration of our passion, and it's a celebration of success of all of us, all us practicing artists. So thank you once again and enjoy your success.
Thank you, Madhuri, for the valuable insights. I now request Mr. Ravi Shankar to please say a few words.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why don't you see the cartoon?
Yeah, no, yeah, we are in the lead.
All right. Let's go. Waiting for a long time.
These are the winners. This is the first, second, and third.
Just come close.
Basically done by a lady called Divya Pai, studying in BMIT College. This is the first runner-up, Rajiv Varghese, studying in all of them are students. The criteria was under 21 years, 15 to 21. The idea is to get youngsters and talent, and then later on they can pursue it further.
Yeah, show me something.
This is a girl called Divya Pai. Okay? She's from BMIT College. Extremely fascinating work. All of you know that that garbage issue is one of the most sensitive and burning issues in Bangalore currently. And this theme was given impromptu. And within 45 minutes, the student had to make this cartoon and just done. And look at various connotations of how garbage maintenance is becoming in college. And what she has done fantastically. Very difficult to actually pick out a winner. Balraj, top three. So in a time frame of 20 minutes, shortlist a winner is a very, very difficult task to do. But some of them, that's what I told in the beginning, that we had to eliminate, unfortunately, few of them, because there is a restriction of having only 30 funds. But everybody deserves to be out.
her face.